Welcome guys, today I will show you how to install Windows 11 on a PC that doesn't have a TPM 2.0 installed, or doesn't meet the minimum system requirements. So, let's start. In order to install or upgrade Windows 11, your PC must meet the hardware requirements. Having a TPM 2.0 installed, for security reasons. That's Trusted Platform Module. Lucky you. I am here to show you how to bypass Windows 11 requirements. First, download the Windows 11 ISO at Microsoft.com, Download section. Scroll down to Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Click Select Download. Choose Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Click Download, next select the product language of your choice. Then click Confirm. Then, click 64-bit download. I have already downloaded it. So, the next step is to verify the integrity of downloaded ISO. While holding down Shift key, right-click the mouse button to bring the context menu. Then select Open PowerShell window here. In the PowerShell, type get-file hash, then space, then copy the name including file extension of the ISO. Paste into PowerShell, then hit enter. Wait for it to process. Here is a list of different language version and its corresponding hash values. The result value must match the value on the table list. If it matches, this confirms that the downloaded file is not corrupted. File integrity verified. OK, so let's proceed. Next step, go to Rufus website. This is a free program to create a Windows 11 install disk on a USB flash drive. This will disable the TPM, RAM and CPU requirements. Download and install it. Insert a blank 8 GB or larger USB flash drive on the PC, then open Rufus. Select the USB device where to copy the Windows 11. Set boot selection to disk or ISO image. Click Select and navigate to the Windows 11 ISO location. Next, on the image option, select Extended Windows 11 Installation, no TPM, no Secure Boot. The rest, leave it to defaults. Then click Start. A warning message appears that says the USB flash drive will be formatted. Select OK. Another warning message about multiple partitions getting erased. Select OK. And this will begin to copy and write into the USB flash drive. Wait until it's finished. The USB flash drive is now ready to be used for a clean installation of Windows 11. With the USB flash drive plugged in, restart or turn on the computer. Prepare to boot into the BIOS. I just pressed Delete key during the boot process. Navigate to BIOS. Under Boot Option Priorities, select the USB flash drive as boot option 1. In my case, it's the SanDisk partition 1. Select Save and Exit. That's Tarakiboyz. Cool. Nice. Once booted up into the Windows setup, select the language, time and currency, format and keyboard input method, then click Next. Click Install. In the Activate Windows, just select I don't have a key to proceed. You can put it later. Here select the operating system. I'll just select Windows 11 Pro. Click Next. For the license terms, check I accept, then click Next. Choose Custom Install Windows. Select where to install Windows. I'm using a 240 GB SSD as primary. That's the 222.9 GB and it's already formatted. So, I'll go next. Now installing Windows. Just wait until it's finished. Windows 11 was selected to boot. Select country. I'll just select this for now. Select keyboard layout. Add a second keyboard layout. Click skip. Choose, I don't have internet. Continue with limited setup. Register username. Set password. Confirm password. Add security question of your choice. Oxford. Not really. Hi. Getting things ready for you. Keep your PC plugged in for the whole setup duration. Almost there. Here we are, Windows 11, a clean install. I'm offline. I'll go online later. Next thing to do is change the screen resolution. My Windows is already activated, yeah, permanently. I was able to update a while ago. And that's awesome. Let's change the wallpaper. Colorful streets. Wonderful. That's how to do a clean install of Windows 11. I hope you find this video informative. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out Tarakiboyz videos. On behalf of Tarakiboyz, this is Olga, speaking. Bye.